Dear students, in continuation of the part of retrosynthetic analysis followed by synthesis. So, if we are to provide this types of the target molecules that which contain this ester as a function group. Here, look, these types of the function group having the ester, this NO2 and this one is a methyl group. Two aromatic nucleus, one is electron donating group is there, and here electron withdrawing group. So, what is the plan of synthesis? If you have to break this CC bond, we are having these types of the species. That is the NO2 group is here, and here C double bond O. This is what, as we can say, this is the CS3 atoms. Okay. So these are the target species. If we are having this, again, if you want to, this is the retrosynthesis. Again, as you can see, this connection is here. So that is if you are to these types of the bond is break, and what happen, this is the nitrobenzene. But when we disconnect this nitrobenzene, again nitrobenzene to what, aniline, and aniline to what is again what the plan, this is the, again we can say this is the part of application of the inductive effect. When this electron donating group is present, then electrophilic separation reaction is takes place ortho and para position, and electron withdrawing group is present, then electrophilic separation reaction takes place on the meta position. So whatever may be, but first of all we can take these types of the reactant species. Again, this plan of the one of the plan. Again, another plan of the synthesis, if you are to this breaking the types of the ester is, as you know that ester is obtained from this acid. Now the derivatives of acid and this NO2, and plus what, this CO disconnection is here. What happens, CO disconnection. This what a hydroxy group is here, and this is aromatic nucleus. As you can say, this is the paramethyl hydro. This is what a 4-hydroxytoluene. As you can say, this is the 4-hydroxytoluene, and this is the para-nitrobenzoic acid. If you add the plan of the synthesis, what is the plan of synthesis here? So this is the, we can say A molecules and the B molecules. If you have to say A molecule is react with the B molecule in presence of what, concentrated sulfuric acid H+, or we can take, this is a phosphorus pentoxide P2O5. They act as the dehydrating agents and formation of the target molecules, one step synthesis and synthesis. Again, another next plan, if we are, this is the plan of the synthesis, plan of such types of the molecules. If you are in such types of the reactant species, as you can say, synthetic equivalents. So this is what a reactant species, NO2 is here, C double bond O, and this is the types of the reactant species, that is the CS3 atoms or group of atoms. Here it is the electron donating group. As you can say, electron donating, electron withdrawing group is here. So if we are using, this is the MCPBA, this metachloroperbenzoic acid or trifluoroporacetic acid, it's very important. So this part of the types of the reagents, it takes place in formation of what, or target molecules. So this is what the name of the rearrangement, reaction. The name of the reaction is called as what, Baeyer-Villiger. So as you can say, Baeyer. So this is the Baeyer-Villiger reaction. So this is known as what a Baeyer-Villiger reaction. In short form, we call this BVR reaction. This is called as what a BVR reaction. This is the plan of what, as you can say, analysis followed by synthesis of given target molecule.